had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you could even see it glow. All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him name. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, is your nose so bright? Won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeers loved him, and they shouted out greatly, hooray! Woohoo! The red-nosed reindeer, you go down in history. Christmas time! Today we are making very special Christmas gingerbread cookies. Don't forget to watch it till the end to see a lovely surprise. So let's start. We need coconut oil, wheat flour, grinded sugar, honey, egg, baking powder and spices. This is the main part of gingerbread cookies. First take a big bowl and add the dry ingredients. Flour, baking powder and all the spices. Now take another bowl for the wet ingredients. First add the oil and the sugar. And then mix. And now add the honey. Once the mixture is ready, then crack the egg in the bowl. Our wet mixture is ready. Now add the wet mixture into the dry. Mix it nicely to make a dough consistency. Our dough looks almost ready. Using your hands, bring it together and don't overmix. Now wrap it in the tin and keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. Our dough is chilled. It's come out from the fridge. These are the Christmas cutters. Now we'll open one. Then we will roll it. Now time for the fun part. Cut the shapes with the molds. and go in the oven. That's so cute. See the gingerbread man.